Okay, here comes the Amtrak train. We're waiting. Kelsey, don't do it. All aboard!
All aboard! Are you being a conductor, Parker?
You're the conductor?
Yeah.
On the train?
Show me how you do the whistle.
Whoa! Hey, where are we?
Train.
Riding a train?
Uh-huh.
For your wish?
Uh-huh. Let's see playground.
Yeah, we're gonna go see a big playground.
What do you see outside? Cars.
Need some cars.
Blue one. What else do you see?
Is this our room? Where did you sleep? Right here? This is our little teeny tiny room. There's a little sink right there. And there's Kelsey.
Hi!
We've got a bathroom right here. And there's our door that goes to the inside of the train. And then this is the bed. It's pretty tight quarters. And Kelsey slept up above that on a bunk bed. And there's Parker again.
Say hi.
Daddy and Connor slept in a different room. Parker's excited. We're almost there. What you doing?
No.
There's snow out there.
Uh-huh.
Are we riding a train?
Yeah.
Do you like the train?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's cool, huh? Are we on our way back home?
No.
Yeah, on our way back. We're in North Carolina on the train, huh? We had a fun trip.